Everyone, let's design this simple flyer together. Welcome to project 2. This is our second project, so let's do this together. So I want to recreate this design. I made it for a client, so I just want to recreate it so that we can do something like this too. So let's create a new page. Click on this button here. Click on this button here. On this button here. So when you click on it, click on more. So when you click on more, you can see you can customize a new customize your size. We're using 3200 by 3200 pixels. Remember, make sure you choose pixels. This is inches, millimeters, centimeters. So make sure it's in pixels, and then you create a new page. Okay, so you can see the page we created. This is the one that was here formerly. So this is one we created newly now. So let's recreate this. Let's start with the background here. You can see that food picture there. So I've already uploaded my resources that I'll be using. I've already uploaded my resources, so I just go to uploads. These are my resources that I'll be using here. So I've already uploaded them. You can upload your own. So let's pick this one here. Okay, this one I use for the. So we enlarge it. Okay, this is what I got here. Okay, so you now go to elements. Go to elements. Now, if you click on the canvas here, this is the canvas. So if you click on the canvas, you see that element is not showing down here. So you have to click outside of the canvas so that element will show. So you click on your elements, then you search for shapes. Okay, so here is it. Pick the first one here. The corner, click on corners. This one is curved, so I don't want it to be curved. Just reduce it to 0, and then you increase it to match what you have here. Okay, so this is what we have. Let's change the color. We are using gradients. I click on color, then click on this plus button here. This plus here. So when you click on the plus, you have this. So you cannot change the color. Look at gradient. We are using gradient. We are using this gradient. So let's change the color to this. So this other color here, let's change it to, let's make it transparent. Okay, now don't reduce it totally, just take it a little bit, maybe use 20%, or you can increase to 25, but don't reduce it totally. So we are done with that. Let's make this one to be a little bit darker. Okay, so we are done. Now you duplicate it. I've taught you how to duplicate with this button here. This button here, duplicate. Okay, you make it to fit in, you duplicate again. If you look closely, you will see this place here. You will see that it is still showing, the picture inside is still showing. So make sure that the picture is no longer showing before you stop duplicating. Duplicate. Okay, so we are good to go now. So we are done with that. So our background is ready. So now let's import these photos. So how I did that, you go to your elements and then search for frames. Search for frames, and then pick a frame here. You can pick the first one here. Okay. So now you resize it to get what you want. You go to corners. First of all, go to style. You can pick any one of your choice. You can see the difference. Let me reduce so you see the difference. You can see the difference. So you can pick any one of your choice. Well, I'm using this. using 25 here. So now go to your corners, and then increase the corner rounding. Increase it totally to 100. Okay, so we can now arrange. Use this arrow icon here to move it around. This icon here, easy to move it around. So we just want to get something similar to this. Okay, I'll just try to be fast so that this video will not be too long. So now this outline here, you can see is black. Let's change it to white. So you click on the element, you can see stroke color. The stroke color, you can see is black, so you change it to white. Okay, so we are good to go now. You duplicate it and then bring it down here. Okay, so we duplicate it again and then keep one of them here. So now we are going to reduce the size, duplicate and then reduce the size to get what we have in the other place. Okay, duplicate and then bring it down here too. You can use this your nudge to arrange it properly. So make sure you arrange your own very well. I don't want this video to be too long. So calm down and arrange your own very well. So we'll duplicate this one and then we'll take it here. Okay. Okay, so we are done. So let's import our images from our uploads. So this is what we have here. Let's just add them up first, then later we'll arrange them. Okay, so now let's crop them in so it will fit in those squares. So click on the one you want to crop. You scroll, you see crop here. Click on crop, then you can now arrange it. You can now arrange it the way you want. So click on the next one, click on crop. You arrange it the way you want, the way that will fit in those squares perfectly. So make sure you crop it very well before going into the next one. Show it crop very well. Okay, so we are done with that. So next thing is to add, let's add the name Dayes Noodles Vault. Dayes Noodles Vault. So you just click on this, click on test. You can see your test here, click on test, click on heading. Okay, so this is what we have. Now you reduce the size. You can see that the line spacing here is too much, so let's reduce the line spacing. Go to advanced, click on advanced, you can see line spacing. Okay, so this is what we have here now. So you can reduce the line spacing. And then let's go to format so that I can align it to the left. So we are done with that. And then let's change the fonts now. Let's change the fonts. I used Poppins, so let's also use Poppins here. And then I used extra bold. Okay, so we have gotten this. So now let's change the color to white. Okay, and then the next thing to do here is to I added an effects, and then you add lift. I used lift effect. Click on it again and increase the intensity. Okay, so we are done with that. So let's import this thing. I also collected it from Canva here. So you go to elements, search for, what did I, chef tools. Is it chef tools? Okay, let's search if we can see something like that. Okay, let's search for something else. Search for chef hat. Okay, here is it. So this is it here. You can see that the color is not white, and there is no way to change the color here. There's no way you can change the color here. So what you will do is to go to effect, go to effects, then click on this dual tone. When you click on the dual tone, you see custom. Click on custom, click on it again, and then you can change the colors here. So we are changing the color to white, the highlights to white, and then we are also changing the shadows to white. Okay, so you can see we have gotten our white color. So you reduce the size and then align it here. Make sure you calm down and do your own, align your own very well. I don't want this video to be very long. So let's add our shapes here. So let's add our shapes. Go to elements, then search for shapes. You can see shapes here too. You can see shapes here. So you can click on the shape, and then you take any one. Okay, sorry, not any one. Take the square shape. Take the square shape. Okay, don't duplicate yet. Before you duplicate, first of all, let's change the color. I use the gradient color there, so let's change it to gradient. And then this one here is white. And for this other one, we are using transparent, totally transparent. Okay, so this is what we have now. The corner roundings. Let's increase the corner rounding. Then let's reduce the transparency. Let's reduce transparency a little. Okay, so let's reduce the transparency again. Okay, so now let's go back to our color. If you watch very well, it is not showing clearly here. So I want to, this transparent part, this part that is transparent, the part of the color that is transparent here. So I want to make it to not to be totally transparent. So I will reduce it a little here, so I can get what I want. You can see. Okay, so I'll reduce it a little so I can get what I really want. Okay. It's not still perfect, so let me still reduce it. I'm not still getting what I want. Let's still reduce it totally. Let's reduce it totally now. Okay, I think this is okay now. So the next thing we have to do now is to duplicate it, and then bring it down for the phone number. Okay, I made these photos to be very big, so the phone number is not able to enter, but let's just shift it. So I'm going to select multiple. I want to select the photos, so select the frames, so select multiple. So you click on one of them, then you click on these three dots here, then you select multiple. You can select all of them now. Just keep clicking all of them until you have completed it. Okay, now we are not grouping, so we are just moving them so that there can be space here for the phone number. So we are moving all of them together. You can see all of them are moving together. All of them are moving together. Okay. Okay, I think it's okay now. So let's just leave it like this. But make sure your texts are not very close to your pictures. Like this thing I have here, so I'm shifting it away from the picture. Just try and arrange your own very well. So now let's put our text. Because of that, I'm going to copy my own from here, but make sure you type your own. So I'm going to copy my own from here. I'll copy my own from here. And then click on copy. So when I click on copy, I can now go back to this page and then click on these three dots, then click on paste. You can see it then appears here. So that's for that. So now it's just for us to arrange it very well. Arrange it very well. Okay. We're selecting all so that we can arrange all together. Select multiple so that we can move them all together. Okay. So So let's increase the size of the box. Okay, so we are almost done. So let's put in this our price tag, order now. So if you go to your elements, search for order now, order now. Okay, sorry. So you can see them here. You can search and select any one that will fit the design you want to do. For this design, I used the one I used. Okay, I use this one here. So I just reduce the size, then place it somewhere here. Okay. So because of our time, you can add this always available for order. Or let me just copy it and paste it at once. And then you click here. Click on the three buttons. Click on these three buttons and then click on paste. Okay. So you can see here. Okay, I didn't arrange my own very well. Make sure you arrange your own very well. So okay, for this light effects, you just click on elements. Also go to your elements and then search for text effect. Sorry, light effect. Light effects. Okay, this one I use here. Okay, so you can reduce the size and then place it somewhere here. Okay, this is where I place the other one. Okay, just make sure you place it very well. Then you duplicate it and also take it to this other side. Use your notch to align it very well. Just put it at the edge of the frame. Put at the edge of the frame. Okay. So we are good to go now. We are done. There's a little bit difference in the color, and that's because I'm rushing. But just make sure you calm down and do your own. We are going to see in the next project where we will do other flyers together. We'll be creating other flyers together. So make sure you calm down and do all these things. Don't rush the way I'm rushing. I'm just rushing because of the video. You can see it's almost 23 minutes already. So just don't rush, calm down and do your own. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.